A man builds a safe shelter in a towering ancient tree to defend himself against wild animal attacks. He ventures deep into the secluded mountain forest, where human footsteps are rarely seen. A massive banyan tree suddenly comes into sight. Its huge canopy stretches out like a giant umbrella covering the sky, shading the entire woodland. These natural vertical tree trunks offer ideal foundational conditions for constructing the high shelter. A bold construction plan gradually takes shape in his mind. He first clears the overgrown weeds under the huge old tree to create a flat open area and reserve enough space for follow-up material processing. Then he begins to make the climbing ladder, his most essential tool. He carefully selects two sturdy wooden poles with even thickness and strong toughness as ladder beams. He cuts evenly spaced mortise slots on the wood and cuts short logs to make wooden pins. He drills holes and hammers the pins in tight to fix each rung firmly onto the ladder beams. A solid and durable climbing ladder is finally finished, serving as his vital passage to go up and down the treetop. After climbing to the top, he enters the formal frame construction stage. He drills holes in short logs and fixes them to the main trunk with wooden wedges to create stable load-bearing support points. He places thick wooden poles across the supports to act as horizontal beams. Every connection is double secured with drilled holes and inserted wooden dowels to guarantee an unbreakable structure. Once the two main horizontal beams are installed, they form the bottom frame of the shelter. He lays whole logs at equal intervals across the cross beams. A solid and stable base platform is thus completed. To improve the floor stability and practicality, he covers the log surface with a tight layer of treated bamboo strips. The smooth flat bamboo floor lays a solid foundation for later construction. Every subtle detail reflects his exquisite craftsmanship. The refined edge treatment of the floor front acts as a perfect finishing touch. He collects a tough thick vine as thick as his forearm from the mountains and bends it into a soft arc along the platform edge to serve as a protective border. This design prevents slipping while walking and enhances the overall delicate appearance. He fills the empty gaps inside the border with extra bamboo strips to unify and complete the whole floor structure. Wall building is the core step of finishing the shelter. He gathers large bundles of thin yet highly durable rattan canes. He first secures a horizontal crossbeam among the banyan tree branches, using the beam as a reference. He bends rattans into natural arched shapes. After firmly fixing both ends, a naturally formed door frame comes into view. He installs vertical rattan posts at intervals along the inner wall beams, then weaves thin sticks and rattans in vertical cross patterns, gradually forming an enclosed mesh frame surrounding the entire space. With the natural tree branches and woven rattan walls for protection, an independent private bedroom space is fully formed. He picks up large quantities of vines and starts weaving the outer walls. This work looks simple on the surface, but it greatly tests hand flexibility and three-dimensional spatial awareness. Vines move flexibly in his hands as if they possess life, sometimes twisting and fastening tight like nimble snakes, sometimes interweaving densely like fine spider silk. In a short time, a tight and breathable rattan wall fully covers the outer frame. It maintains good air circulation and effectively blocks wild animal intrusions. The roof is also designed with great ingenuity. He processes a thick round log to be the main roof beam. He fastens two wooden poles diagonally on both sides of the main beam to form a basic triangular support structure. He mounts the whole frame on top of the rattan walls and reinforces